I will submit this. Once I submit, I'll be able to see this machine is getting created with the help of CloudFormation. There is something called as CloudFormation in the backend. This is currently getting created, but if you go to CloudFormation, you can see AWS Elastic Beanstalk is getting created. What it does, it creates all those things for you. It creates stack, it creates security group, Elastic IP, launch handler, it creates security group, Elastic IP, launch template. So it creates the resources also. What are the resources required? So what I mean, AWS takes care of complete ownership of providing you the instance. Now, once this is created, you will be able to see the domain name. And the domain name should be helping you to run the ready-made application. Looks like it is created. It's still creation in progress. Elastic Beanstalk, creation complete. In progress. This domain has come. I click this application. It is still pending. Creation complete. Now this is complete. I will come back to my app development. It is still pending. Maybe doing some health checks in the backend. Yes, says okay. Let me go ahead and check this now. Your application is up and running. Now let me say I want to create a copy of this. I'll go to application. I'll select this application. I'll go to actions and I will go inside and I will create the copies of it. Actions, clone. So once I clone, I will say my app environment, prod. I will create a copy of this. Okay. So I have created two similar configuration of my application. Okay. Two environments, development created, production created. I can create test, I can create UAT, I can create disaster recovery, multiple environments of the same applications I can. And once I'm having my version ready, before I start working, I want to save the configuration. For example, I'm developing an application to integrate Paytm payment configuration. Before I start working, I will save this configuration. And after working and after testing, Paytm integration is also not working, but my effort also made my previously working condition spoiled. So I want to restore to the previous version. You can, once you save it, you can go to saved configuration, you can select it, you can restore it to that version. So like that, Beanstalk mainly focused with developers' way of looking at it.